Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to my bathroom where the lighting's not so great. I am deep conditioning my hair, so disregard that. To get started, I'm going to use my NYX micellar water, and I like to use this on a cotton pad just to remove any leftover waterproof mascara or just mascara in general and any eyebrow product that I still may have lingering on my face. And this is what this looks like. Yuck. And then I take a dry one just to get off any extra residue. After that, I like to go in for my face. I use the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, and these just help me get off any leftover makeup that I had on my face, or foundation or powder, concealer, any of that. And since I washed my hair before this, I got off quite a bit of my foundation, so I don't have a lot lingering on my face. To go in with a deeper scrub on my face, I'm actually going to be taking the Duvali Radiant Spin Care System. This is their spin care brush, and I also have a coupon code, and I will have that on the screen and listed down in the description box below for 70% off of the spin care system and any of their styling tools. I like to go in with my Aveeno brightening scrub, and I put that all over my face, and then I go in with the spin care brush and just move it all over my face gently. And this just helps me get a deep exfoliating scrub. Like, I feel the beads really working in and getting off any extra dirt and residue and just giving me a nice deep clean. Next, I'm going to go ahead and rinse off my face, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for my full in-depth skincare routine, and I'll see you guys next time.